Picture this. You're on a plane. The engine is roaring like a mechanical dragon. A baby is practicing their opera skills a few rows back, and you just want a moment of peace. You slip on your noise-canceling headphones, flick a switch, and just like that's like someone hit the universal mute button. It feels like pure magic, but it's actually some of the most fascinating physics you'll ever strap to your head. So here's the mind-blowing truth. Sound is just waves, vibrations traveling through the air. Every single noise, from a car engine to a gentle hum, is just air molecules getting pushed around in a specific pattern. Your eardrums pick up on these vibrations, and your brain translates them into what you perceive as sound. It's a constant, invisible dance happening all around you. Noise-canceling headphones, or ANC, decided to join that dance, but with a countermove. Inside your headphones, there are tiny, super-sensitive microphones constantly listening to the noise around you. They act like little spies, capturing the sound waves of that roaring plane engine or the constant drone of an air conditioner. They then feed this information to a powerful mini-computer chip nestled inside the headphones. This is where the real wizardry begins. The chip analyzes the incoming sound wave and, in a fraction of a millisecond, generates a brand new sound wave that is the mirror opposite of the first one. This new wave is called an antiphase wave. If the outside noise wave goes up, the headphones wave goes down in perfect sync. When these two opposing waves meet, they collide and completely annihilate each other. This phenomenon is called destructive interference. And it's basically your headphones performing a precision physics kung fu chop on sound itself, leaving you with blissful, quiet. That's why ANC is so incredibly effective at erasing steady, predictable noises. The low, constant drone of a plane engine, the hum of a fan, or the rumble of a train are all consistent sound patterns. The chip can easily predict their shape, create the perfect antiphase wave, and cancel them out in real time. It's a continuous, calculated battle that your headphones are always winning. But what about your neighbor's sudden laugh or a flight attendant asking if you want a drink? Human voices are chaotic, messy, and change their pitch and volume constantly. They're too unpredictable for the chip to perfectly counteract every single time. That's why you can still hear sharp, sudden noises in conversations, even with the best headphones on. The technology isn't failing. Human sound is just a beautiful, unpredictable mess. However, active noise cancellation isn't the only trick up your headphone sleeve. They also employ passive isolation. That's the physical barrier created by the plush ear cups, the dense padding, and the tight seal around your ears. This design naturally blocks out a good chunk of high-frequency sound without using any power. When you combine this physical shield with the high-tech active cancellation, you get that immersive cone of silence feeling that's so satisfying. Your brain interprets this sudden, unnatural quiet as a change in pressure, even though nothing has physically changed. And yes, all this real-time calculation and wave generation takes a lot of energy. That's why turning on a NC mode drains your headphone battery significantly faster than just listening to music. So, what does the future hold for this incredible tech? The next big leap is a high-powered adaptive ANC. Instead of just reacting to the noise around you, future headphones will use artificial intelligence to predict and understand your environment. They'll know if you're on a busy street and need to hear traffic for safety, or if you're in a quiet library and need to block out a distant cough. The experience will become personalized, seamless, and smarter than ever. So the next time you put on your headphones and the chaotic world melts away into silence, take a moment to appreciate the incredible orchestra of science at work. It's an army of microphones, processors, and sound waves all working together to perform physics kung fu, creating your personal bubble of peace. It's not magic. It's just really, really cool science.